Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, this is Matt with API. Why would someone want to use pepper? Why would a homeowner want to use pepper? Most of the time, people that have salt pools come in and say, well, I'm on salt, I don't need anything else. Or, well, my dealer or my builder told me I didn't have to do anything but put in salt. You know, I think that one of the things about that is that people think that the ocean's salt, and it's always clear when I go to the ocean, but you and I know that homeowners don't understand that your salt pool is actually generating chlorine, you know, and the chlorine that's being made, you know, that's the only thing the ECG does. You know, the electrolytic chlorine generator only generates chlorine. It doesn't do all the other stuff. So they go into this having a salt pool with the notion that they don't have to do anything else. But then what happens is that they develop scale. They develop turbidity because of the high TDS, you know, or lower solubility of the water. And then also you have mustard algae. You have issues with scaling. You know, there's all kinds of things that salt pools have by virtue of being salt. You know, not to mention how high the pH gets. Now, there's lots of reasons for all that to happen, and I could go into that. But suffice to say that salt pools are not problem-free. So that's where pepper comes in. Not only is pepper good because it goes with salt, you know, so people understand, well, salt and pepper, so you know, a pepper goes with a salt pool. But pepper actually makes that pool as easy as they thought it was going to be from the beginning. Because what pepper does is it replaces a cell cleaner, it replaces a descaler, it replaces phosphate remover and clarifier. It also cuts down on the chlorine demand. So that dial that you have set, you can actually turn that down about 20 to 25% and still have the same chlorine residual, which is awesome. So the way the pepper works is that you have a 2-pound bottle. That 2-pound bottle treats 20,000 gallons for a month. So just read the directions on the back of the bottle. It's super easy. It dissolves on contact. You can go swimming right afterwards. So pepper is just, I mean, it's just an easy program. You know, it's not your primary water care program because that's your chlorine generator. But what that does is it makes that chlorine generator last longer, work more efficiently, and makes it so that the homeowner doesn't have to do much of anything. You know, what we found across the nation is that pepper cuts about 80 to 85% of your acid demand. The great thing about pepper is it's easy to use. Another great thing is that it goes perfectly with salt. You know, it's the perfect ingredient for a salt pool. So use pepper, it's great.
API, simple products, amazing results.
Thanks for watching.